Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get cute headphones in Avatar World. So first you can just head into the airport. Near the airport you can just go in here until you found this avatars right here. Sorry, just wait. Okay, this one in here, you can bring this purse and open it. Okay, this one's right here. Then you need to bring this I think this phone into this person's right here. So go into this building now and bring the phone or the item and give it to this person, this woman, as the gift, and she will give you the headphones as an exchange, as a gift. So guys, that's how you can get an aesthetic headphones in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.